Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to apply transitions in between slides in a Google slide deck. So I've selected a slide over here, and if I go to the slide menu and I find transition, it opens up a menu on the right-hand side of my screen. At the moment, I've selected no transition, which means when I move from one slide to another, one slide will go away, the other one will just appear. But if I click on where it says none, I see that I've got a number of different options: dissolve, fade, slide from right, slide from left, flip, cube, or gallery. Let's just do fade, so I click on fade, and once I've selected it, I can determine or set how fast I want this to actually fade. I don't want it to go too fast that you might not notice it, and if I want, I can apply this to all the slides. And now, anytime I transition between slides in slideshow mode, you'll see this fade effect. So let's test that out. So I'm going to close this and I'm going to go to slideshow mode. All right, so here's my slide that I started on, and now I advance, it fades out. The next one fades in. That one fades out. Then another one fades in, and so on. And that's how you can apply slide transitions into your slide decks.